Hi and welcome to MemberSplash. This video is intended to give a quick overview for our Essentials and Premium customers on how to download pre-built forms, import them into your MemberSplash site, and to begin the process of editing. We're beginning on the MemberSplash form template library, where you'll find some of the most commonly used swim or swim and tennis club forms. In this case, we're going to download and import the event RSVP form. So simply click on the form that you want to import into your MemberSplash site. It will take you to that form specific page where you'll see a few suggestions on how this form can be used. You'll see a preview of the form. You'll also see download and instructions. Click here. It just takes you to the bottom of the page where you'll see the download and installation instructions, as well as where to download the form template. Clicking on this orange Get Form Template downloads it to your local hard drive. One thing to point out here is to please make note of where the form is actually being downloaded, because in a moment we're going to be importing this into your MemberSplash site. In my case, all of these downloads go into the Downloads folder. Okay, we're at my MemberSplash Demo Club. I'm going to log in as an administrator. I'm logging in as an administrator. MS Board works for my site. Once you've clicked Login, it will take you to the MemberSplash dashboard page. From here, we want to go to the left-hand menu area and select Forms, and the sub-menu item, Import Export. From here, you'll see a number of different options, including Export Form Entries, or Export Forms, or Import Forms. That's why we're here. Under Import Forms, you'll see that we need to now choose that file that you just downloaded. I'm clicking Choose Files, and I'm going to my Downloads folder and selecting Event RSVP. That's the file we just downloaded. I click Open, and you'll now see that that form is queued up for import. Now click Import. Success. You'll see a note at the top saying Gravity Forms imported one form successfully. At this point, your form may have the ability to be edited right from this page, or more commonly, you will go to your Forms area, click Forms, and locate the form that you want to edit. We just imported an RSVP form, so I'm going to search for that now. At this stage, your form is ready to be edited. You can simply click on Event RSVP, the form heading, or when hovering over the item, click Edit to begin the editing process. You're done. You can always make additional modifications to the form, obviously to accommodate any specific club needs that you may have. I'd also recommend checking out the MemberSplash support site. Our solution articles library has much more guidance on forms.